Hi guys, I'm Alice and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here today and look in what beautiful place I am. And today we're gonna do beach yoga with you. So if you're interested, keep watching and don't decide.
Stay in this position for as long as you need it. We start sitting. Think about your intention, adjust your breathing. Begin to rotate your head in one direction and in the opposite. From cat pose, go to cow pose. And one more time. Now from child pose, go to face down dog. You can go into upward facing dog or immediately raise your right leg up. Hold it for a while and move your leg forward to your hands. We raise our hands up and move into the position of warrior 1. Smoothly move into warrior 2. Warrior 3. Try to tense your muscles as much as possible and maintain balance. Now sit on the mat and we begin to do the semi-wheel. This is a very nice stretch for your back, but be careful and do this exercise smoothly. Now we straighten our knees, lower one hand onto the leg and raise the other to the sky. Breathe calmly through the nostrils. Inhale, exhale. Now sit on the mat, bend one leg at the knee and turn your body to the side. An excellent exercise to stretch your back. Do the same on the other side. Now there will be my favorite exercises. I do them almost every workout. These are headstands and elbow stand. Now we take a short pause for a deep inhale and exhale. It's a victory dance and finally a well deserved rest.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it, you enjoy this view, you enjoy my workout, and of course if you want to know more information about me, don't forget to check my private OnlyFans page, and I'm sending you my love and maybe just bye bye.